So if you're thinking about mining crypto on your gaming PC, the first thing you should know is this. Forget about mining Bitcoin. Your gaming rig isn't built for that. What you want are GPU-friendly coins like Raven Coin, Ethereum Classic, or just let a platform automatically pick the best one for you. The easiest way to get started is with NiceHash. Here's how. Step 1. Head to the official NiceHash website and download Quick Miner. Don't trust sketchy links, only the official site. Step 2. Create a free NiceHash account and log in. This account will track your earnings. Step 3. Install Quick Miner and open it. Let it detect your GPU. And then just click Start Mining. From there, NiceHash does the hard work. It picks the most profitable coin and pays you out in Bitcoin. Now for safety, jump into settings and enable light mode or efficiency mode so your GPU runs cooler. Also install MSI Afterburner, undervolt your card a bit and make sure temperature stays under 70 and 75. Step 4. Keep an eye on your NiceHash dashboard. You'll see your balance update in real time and you can withdraw to a wallet when you're ready. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.